Bali is a world-renowned tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. And tourism is a significant contributor to Bali's economy, providing jobs and generating revenue. By promoting tourism, the government aims to stimulate economic growth and development in the region and transportation. Areas like Bingin offer beautiful beaches. It also offers potential for development. Many investors see opportunities to develop resorts and villas because properties in Bingin can generate a good rental income. And Coco is planning to establish a one-stop entertainment place in the Uluwatu area. We offering everything you need for a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Whether you're looking to relax, stay active, or indulge in culinary delights, Coco has you covered. We are ready to give you an experience of the epitome of luxury living at the Coco Lifestyle Resort.